You hit spacebar and wait 5 seconds for one frame. Your PC is screaming, your preview is frozen and you are about to quit the project. But wait, it's not your hardware, it's your settings. You don't need a new PC, you just need to stop letting After Effects suffocate your RAM. Now look, I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm not going to make your 10-year-old laptop perform magic or suddenly render 4K like a 10,000 MacBook Pro. That's a fairy tale. But what I can do is to show you how to stop the unnecessary lag that's actually preventable. So first secret, stop using the latest version. Adobe loves adding shiny new features every year, but for a low-end rig, those are just bloatware. You're not gonna use them anyway. If you want speed, go back to 2019 or even 2018. Okay, now let's optimize the settings in After Effects. Okay, click on this edit button, preferences and general. Actually there is nothing to change in general tab, so let's go into preview section. So here you can change adaptive resolution limit to the lowest value you get, like in my case it's 1:16 or 1/16. Okay, set the zoom quality to faster and color management quality to faster, and then go into display section, and if you don't have a dedicated GPU, turn hardware accelerate composition off. Okay, this third option, and nothing much to change in export import. Okay, in media and disk cache, increase maximum disk cache size. I'm setting this to 82 GB, or you can set this somewhere around like 50 to 60 GB. It depends on how much storage you have left, in the drive. So increase it according to your free space. And then in video preview and in memory, turn this slider to the left. Like I have 8 GB RAM, so I'm setting RAM reserved for other app to like 1.5. So After Effects will give like 6.4 GB to himself and 1.5 to other software. And there's nothing much to change. Now you can set preview quality here from like full to quarter, because obviously you are not watching a movie, you are editing, so you don't need that crispy clear look. So just set this to quarter. And now a bonus tip, you can reduce the size of the preview window from here to achieve even smoother preview. Like in my case it works. You can try it as well and tell me in the comment section if it works or not.